Hi everybody, Denise Aiken, Perfectly Posh, team leader of Team Posh Darts. Welcome to May 2018's version of Join My Team. So let's bring up somebody from the audience, somebody strange that I've never met before. Sir, would you like to come sit in the chair? Come sit in the chair, stranger that I've never met before.
Oh, hi.
Sit.
What?
Hi, how are you? He's gonna get to find out what's in this month's starter kit. Yes, he is. Hello, stranger I've never met before. First, you get this beautiful bag of pampering for me. Sir, beautiful bag of pampering for me. What's in this bag? What's in this bag, you say? What's in this bag? A chunk. Feel better soon. A bath chunk. It says, wander through the meadow. Oh, bath chunk for you.
Okay.
Look at that. That's the first item you get.
Nice.
Take a bath. Social Butterfly. Social Butterfly is a big fat yummy hand cream, candied blackberry and jasmine, made with apricot kernel oil. You also get that in the starter kit. A bath bomb. Lavender bath bomb. Look at you. Hold up. This is one of our new highlighters from our Summer Mermaid catalog. It's called Working Pearl. Instead of Working Girl, Working Pearl. I didn't have it, but this is what it looks like, except it's white. Working Pearl. What else did you get? Purifier. It's a skin stick. You're gonna need this for summer because bug bites are terrible, and this is the perfect thing for bug bites. Wouldn't you agree, stranger?
Absolutely. It stops the itch.
Oh, you know about this already.
A little bit.
And then the Ritual. This is an exclusive mask, deep cleansing face mask only for consultants. You only get it if you're a consultant. That too, and the bag. There you go. Then next you get this beautiful bag of, what does that say? Samples. These are what you share. Samples, and they're always 20 samples in here, and I never know what they're gonna be. Samples for you to share with people. And then you get this beautiful bag of pampering products for your business. You can keep them, you can sell them, you can share them. These are perfect to launch your business with. And if you were to sell every product in here, it would pay for your kit. I know. Then you get another bath chunk. Spossum. Namaste in the bath all day. Does it smell like? Does that smell like a spa?
It does.
I know. Look at that. Now you got 2 bath chunks. You got enough to last you for months. And one of our new products. Show me what you're mermaid of. Body scrub. Did you smell this?
Ooh, it smells good.
It does. And it's blue. You get that, but it won't be open like this one. Body scrub. Look at that. Another big fat yummy hand cream. Ain't that the youth? This one's unscented. I love this one. You get that. A face mask, hot and gold. It has gold and peridot in it. Tightening face mask. Sir, do you have enough hands?
No.
BFF face wash, the best face wash on the planet. Little baby scrubbies in there, gently exfoliates. This one's vegan too. A lot of our products are vegan. You get that too. But I'm not done. But wait, there's more. 2 more skin sticks. A Sleepy Sleep Stick Lavender and a Healer Skin Stick. Do we know what lavender does? Relaxes us. Guess what this one does? Healer. Guess what it does? There you go. And you get that bag too. You also get $50 worth of business tools. And it all comes in this beautiful, sturdy box with a handle. Okay, I'll put that one down. But wait, there's more. Our special bonus buy for May. Mother's Day. All about that vase. Body polish and body serum. Oh. And a puff. There you go.
Yay.
All that for $99. And you get to join my team. Start your own business or keep it all for yourself. See you soon. Go to pinkposhdenise.po.sh. Click join.